Hi, I'm Terry from Mr Locksmith Kitsilano. I'm a third-generation locksmith. My granddad, my dad, my uncle were all locksmiths. I was lucky growing up in that business. So we have Mr Locksmith that services Kitsilano. I have an honors degree in criminology, so I understand the crime that goes on in Kitsilano. As beautiful as the area is, boy, there's a lot of break-ins there. And one of the problems is the back alleys. It's just amazing, the riffraff that's going up and down the back alleys and just stealing everything they can put their hands on. Kitsilano is an absolutely fantastic area to live. It's beautiful there, it's close to everything. But if you're just moving in or you have you live there for a while, call us. We can upgrade your deadbolts on your doors. If you're in an apartment building, let's look at your front door. If you're locked out, need keys, want to rekey, want to increase the security of your doors, give us a call. We're Mr. Locksmith Kitsilano. So if you've lost the keys to your car or locked out of your car or need spare keys to your car, we service most of the vehicles. We can supply transponder keys. We can come on site and cut and program the keys, or some of the proximities, we just program them. Don't have to take it to the dealer. We can come right to you, make keys right on site at your house, so you don't have to hang around the dealer and wait for a while. And sometimes we're less expensive than the dealers. You never know. Check their price, check our price. We're very competitive in automotive locksmithing, so if you need keys to your car or your truck, van, anything, give us a call.